AI, ChatGPT, having a bot as a life coach is just like having a dog who can talk to you. Like, wouldn't that be great if your dog can talk? Actually, that wouldn't be great. That's the reason why so many people are best friends with their pets and not another person, because their dogs don't talk back. No matter how crazy you are, the dog will always be your friend, your best friend. No matter how nuts or just out of control you are, the dog will be there to comfort you, to reassure you, to make you feel so loved and needed. The dog will never hurt your feelings. That's AI.